Are you guys?
I'm here to pick my cousin and her up. It's the mom. I don't know. I just got here, so
Okay.
I can't really tell you much. I'm just here to pick up the children.
Sounds good. How you doing?
Hi. I have a receipt for you.
Mm-hmm. This is hers?
Yes.
Okay.
Can I just have your daughter's first and last
46
name?
140 County, put me
And
10
her
8,
date of
the
birth,
records
she
to
just
9.
can't come back to the store like you. With a PH? Last name? And then date of birth?
You want the roll call?
11.
How old are you?
Please, thank you.
Daughter?
Yeah.
So
Daughter or
what's
mom?
the two from? Mom, daughter?
Yeah.
That's okay. That's not my address that I'm at now.
Oh, okay. Whenever you get a chance, you can check all around. No rush.
So you could sign, you're gonna sign like the same paperwork twice, one for you, one for your daughter. She can't come back to the store.
Did they walk out together or
Yes,
separate?
together.
Okay.
Daughter was in the cart actually.
That's everything.
I'm not with him.
This is everything.
Okay.
Yes, you could change that. Her address is not that.
Yeah,
You could write the address.
It's neither. I left him.
That's fine. You
It's,
could write down the regular
Where am I
address.
signing?
Yep.
Man, right from the start, you can feel the weight on this mom. She's cooperative, but you hear the stress in her voice. A 14-year-old in the cart, jewelry and stuff concealed in the fitting room. This wasn't a solo act, but what's really striking is how quickly it turns into a family decision. Who gets charged? The officers are careful here, checking if the juvenile was truly involved or just along for the ride. Heartbreaking to see a parent in this spot.
Yo, sorry to bother you. Just got a quick question. One of the offenders here is a juvenile, 14 years old. She shoplifted $207, and then the mom shoplifted about a little bit over $400. I believe it was $440. I was just curious if you wanted us to still go ahead with charging the juvenile, or just go with the mother. I guess apparently they were in mother. Yeah, so I guess they were in the fitting room. I was wondering if you want us to just go with the mother and see if Target wants to. Okay, all right. Okay, I was just curious since it was so close to the limit. I wasn't, but. Oh.
21?
Yeah, because Target can't sign juveniles.
This is gonna be selection on the
Yeah, take your time. It's over.
You got pedigrees already, Disco?
Yeah, I got the mom's smell on me.
Sounds good. And man, what's your name? And your last name? Just spell it for me.
L-A.
Mm-hmm.
What's that shit called?
It's alright. I just need
It's
the
apostrophe.
I just needed the
R-E-N.
first initials. That's fine.
Oh, I'm sorry. L.
Alright, cool. Thank you. And actually, she has a phone. What's your phone number? Thank you.
This one.
guys have any more stuff on you?
No.
26 months.
The dog stuff actually, I was doing
Good.
EBT and then when
Dog
the
check is
stuff
negative.
in there didn't go back. It was
Thank you.
card only.
That was these shirts.
Yeah, that's right there.
And the bulk of it was what jewelry looked like too. All this stuff you said.
Jewelry. There's a lot of beauty stuff in here too.
And you,
Yeah, I can see that.
For perfume.
And then all the stuff on the sheet was the stuff that was unaccounted for that they had paid
yeah,
for. Okay.
I'm not gonna sit here and deny anything.
Okay.
Everything
No, I
that
appreciate you
was
being honest.
in the car, I meant to 100% pay for it. With it being like that, I didn't realize that, and that is not a good scenario.
Yeah.
That
Do you want
that's
to call Milo
my
up?
fault.
Ask him if his opinion changes based on the fact that juvenile was sitting in the cart, mom was pushing it. Just see if he.
What was? Did she conceal?
She does sit in the car a lot.
She sat in the
But-
cart, and some of the stuff was
well,
like
they were
underneath
both
her.
they were both in the fitting room together, and mom and daughter were also selecting jewelry together, and that's the jewelry that was taken.
Mhm.
So that's what happened.
Just
Okay.
make sure, just since
What
it's
is this
juvenile.
about?
I
Yeah,
just
he's
wanna
gonna
make-
say yes.
I just want to make sure,
I'll have it.
especially with that, you know,
And did you Miranda
All the
sir?
empty packages
Bisco?
are in the fitting room.
Did Miranda answer?
Match this.
not yet.
No,
No,
I
no.
know.
There's no custody.
No
yet.
more.
So,
Yeah,
that
no
was
more
in there.
questions,
It was ziplocked. Do you have a
Pertaining to
ziplock
this
in
at
there?
least, just until
You don't-
we can.
So
You have a card on you?
it's
You can
you.
Miranda has it if you want. If you have a
I don't have
card.
my card on me.
What you did?
No,
But there's no
why
custody right now,
close
there's not
the door?
handcuffs.
Oh,
It's
well,
just an intention.
But
It's
Maybe
the
you
fact
were
that
giving it
door's
to daughter's
closed.
friend or
Standing in there.
no one wears jewelry on it.
Let me just call him real quick.
Who picked it up?
Yeah, typically
Snap.
she'll be overnight and then she'll have to tomorrow morning.
Hey, so a little update. Apparently, the daughter was just sitting in the cart when it was pushed out, but loss prevention is saying that she was a part of, or she was with the mom when they were selecting the jewelry. Like she selected jewelry with the mom, which is some of the stuff that was taken. But the mom is also saying that she was just sitting in the car, and that's something that she normally does, and she wasn't participating. I don't know if that changes your opinion at all when it comes to the juvenile. I just wanted me to ask you. Yeah. Copy.
No, she had to agree.
Yeah.
So we're just hearing she's a right home.
Alright, I'm just gonna read you your Miranda since the door's closed. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him/her present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand the rights as they've been explained to you? Okay. That being said, do you wish to answer questions freely of your own accord? I'm not asking your daughter anything right now, since your mom, you can answer for both of you.
I do have to take a picture of the both of you because you can't come back.
No.
Doesn't go anywhere. Just
That's
you can't. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
just
you
one at a time.
Right now, since the door is closed, you're not in custody with us right now, but since the door is closed, I just have to read you your Miranda before I ask you any questions pertaining to the incidents that happened. That's why I wanted to read you your Miranda. Everybody gets read their Miranda prior to questioning. When I forgot the door was closed, so it's de facto. So that being said, do you wish to answer any questions freely and knowingly, having been read your Miranda?
After this, what happened?
We'll explain it to you in a second. Obviously, you were concealing stuff on your purse, the jewelry and stuff they found on you. You didn't pay for it. It's quite a large amount of jewelry that you had, as well as other merchandise. I mean, we're looking at $440 worth. Just give us 1 second.
So, pretty much up to us, basically, if we can find somebody that there's a guardian that can pick her up.
I am.
Are you 18?
20.
20? Okay, perfect. All right, so,
If you want to do mom and just hit her with the full.
yeah. So, I mean, it's our discretion. He's saying, like, if they want him to, if they want us to, but she, obviously, there's no camera footage of her, then,
There's no, they can't. The issue is that they concealed it in the fitting room.
Yeah.
So it's them. They have all the stuff with them. So they have all the containers, they have all the jewelry that they found inside the mom's purse.
Yeah,
The
so it's
rest
all
of the stuff
in the
the daughter was sitting on top of, but she was being pushed in the car. So mom was the one who actually physically pushed the daughter past the point of sale and did it.
All right,
I'm
so
cool with just doing it.
we'll release her and then we'll take the mom back.
Do you want mine or your foil? It's up to you.
It's up to you. Bro, take it. I don't care.
I don't care.
Yeah, I'm gonna come back and help you anyway.
Okay.
So it doesn't matter.
Once again, guys, I'm so sorry about all this.
And ma'am, what's your name? Ma'am, so question for you. Are you okay if your daughter goes back with you? So, let me explain to you. So what's going to happen is, since you were the one that was pushing the cart, jewelry was in your purse. Your daughter's a juvenile.
Yeah.
You're going to be placed under arrest for shoplifting. We made the decision that we're not going to arrest your daughter as well. She could have been arrested because it's over $200 for her on that receipt, even though lump sum total. But since you were actually pushing the cart with your daughter in it, we're only going to arrest you and charge you with the shoplifting. Your daughter, at our discretion, we are not going to arrest her and charge her.
She just needs to go with somebody other
But
than you. That's
she needs to be released.
That's
She needs to be released to someone over the age of 18. Is it okay if outside takes your daughter?
Yeah.
And okay, and then you can go to the bathroom after that. So if you want to, you can go out there. Just want to get
Yeah.
report.
You're gonna.
So what's gonna happen? I'm gonna have you stand up, turn around, put your hands behind your back. Yes, if you'd like to, I'll allow you to.
Thank you.
Before you put it on, since you're bringing it with you, I'm just gonna search it prior to you putting it on, just to make sure you don't have anything in it. Just because we don't have any, because you have tight-fitting clothing, so I don't have to search you right now. Yeah, let's change. No inside pockets. I was just making sure.
No,
All right, you can put it on.
Thank you.
Do you want this stuff to go? The stuff that you actually purchased to go with too? In the meantime,
Yeah, I guess. Can they just put it in my car?
if Paula wants to, yeah, you can release it to her. The stuff that you paid for, obviously, that stuff you can't. All right, just do me a favor.
No, yeah, that I understand.
Just do me a favor. Just turn around. Do you want to bring anything with you?
Do I take this?
What did you want to
I
bring?
don't want to drive out of license like when I come back.
You can have come pick you up. Bring your phone with you so you can make a phone call.
I don't know if she's allowed to or she will. Their parents are really strict.
Is your car here?
Yeah,
We can give you a ride back to your car later.
I appreciate it.
Do you want to bring all this stuff with you? If you bring it back with you, we have to search it. If we bring it in our car. Okay, I just wanted to let you know.
I can give it to my daughter.
Okay, if you want to give it to
You
your
have my
daughter, just keep your
license,
phone.
right?
Yeah, I have your license in my back pocket.
Okay.
Do you need anything else?
No, I just want to make sure my phone is that I can contact them.
If you need to charge it to it, it's low. We can charge it back for quarters.
Okay. I'll just give this to her and tell her to put this in the car.
Alright, so I'll give her the card.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright.
All this stuff is good, right?
You want to leave your car keys with them then?
I don't think they're gonna come back here.
We'll drop you off here. Or what do you want to do?
I'll just take the car keys if you could bring me back.
Yeah. Yeah, can you grab the car keys? Because we'll bring her back here. That's them?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's my car keys.
Yeah.
Oh, do you want me to just take the car key?
Yeah, just take the car key.
Put that in the.
I appreciate you at least being cooperative. A lot of people aren't.
Oh, listen.
Alright, just
After what I told her.
yeah, just do me a favor, just turn around for me. Put your hands behind your back. I'm just gonna roll up your sleeve a little bit so it doesn't get pinched, okay?
You could take it to her house. I have to pick up my daughter anyway.
Adequate spacing, adequate spacing. Circulation, circulation. Double locked. Yes. So I took pictures of the receipts. Can you just do the victim property loss? I'm just gonna do them all in the same one. I saw the video camera footage. I'm just gonna do the mom for the full amount. Just since they separated for the juvenile, we're not arresting her. So, all right. Thank you. 177. Can I have a female 41? What do you say?
One female,
Yeah.
41 receipt, 22 summary.
I'm gonna go right out here. We're gonna go to this car right here. Just have a seat in the back. Let me just, actually, I'll get the seat afterwards.
My key might have fell out.
Oh, okay. I'll grab it if it fell out. You can have a.
Do these stay on?
I'm gonna take one off.
I have carpal tunnel really bad.
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah.
You got it? Okay.
It's this arm that's the worst.
Okay. I'll adjust it for you when we
Oh
get
no,
in the
they're still in my pocket. I feel it.
Yeah. Okay. All right. We're gonna go ahead and walk around the front of my car. Over here. Oh, I'm sorry. Around the back to the front. My apologies.
Units. Field
Go straight
attempted
ahead.
to stop a vehicle on 9 South, passing 522.
And we're gonna go right in here to the right.
It was a great Genesis.
All right. You can just stand right here for 1 second, okay?
Stand by.
All right. Which hand is the one that bothers you? This one.
is
I'll
the
undo this
worst.
one.
Disregard. It's not heading in our direction.
All right. Just go ahead and have a seat for me.
Oh, thank you.
You don't have to thank me. Per policy, I have to keep you handcuffed to the
No,
bench.
it's okay.
So
You're
if
doing your
this
job.
one bothers you at any point, let me know. Would it be better if I put it over your jacket
No,
so it's cushioned?
okay. It
Okay.
randomly gets numb, then it stops.
Okay.
It's
You're
not
okay right now,
hurting me,
though?
Just, my shoulder hurts from going backwards.
Oh, back.
I should have told you, but
Yeah.
you're doing your job.
Do you just
So
have
fine.
your which pocket was your key in that you put it in? Left or right? This one. I'm just gonna grab that and keep it
That's
over here with
okay.
the rest of your everything else. Okay. No, Diagon's doing the victim property loss right there. It was mom and juvenile, but the mom was pushing it apart. Juvenile was sitting on top, so we just. Yeah. 6. They separated it. She separated it for some reason, loss prevention. I don't know why. Her amount is this, we did the lump sum of 6, rather than because the juvenile was over 2. But she was sitting in the cart next to it. Yeah. Yeah. Can you actually grab me a Miranda in case she wants it? So I know I read you your Miranda on scene. I'm gonna have you read it through and sign it, just so you can actually read it. Because I know there's a lot going on there. You have your daughter next to you. I want you to be fully aware of everything before you answer anything. Because everything prior when we first got there is inadmissible, so we're not gonna put that. But if you want to say anything afterwards, you can. But I don't want you to say anything until you read the form, just so you're aware of it. Because I don't want you to incriminate yourself. As juvenile. Juvenile, yeah, there was a 20-year-old there. Mom was okay with her going. We okayed it with Myler. It's her daughter. She's good with it. Yes. She was okay with it, and she was cool. So. Yeah, I'm good. All right. So, like I read to you on scene, it's the same thing. You have the right to remain silent and refuse to answer questions. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to consult with an attorney or speaking to the police and have an attorney present before the questioning. If you do not have the money to obtain an attorney, one will be appointed for you at no cost to represent you before the questioning if you so desire. Decision to renounce these rights is not final and can be revoked when you so desire before or during the questioning. Having this in mind, I certify that I have been notified of my constitutional rights as so indicated by my initials above and understand this right. So I'm just going to have you initial them, that I read you them, and if you understand them, if not, I can explain them again. Yes, just initial these ones. It's just going to, you read them, you understand what I was saying to you, and that sign down here is saying that you do understand what I read to you. And then the last one, Having in mind these rights, I desire to renounce them and give a voluntary declaration and answer any questions. So this, you sign this one if you would answer questions if I were to ask you of them, which would be events pertaining to it. If you don't want to, you just leave that one. If you don't want to answer any questions. It's entirely up to you. If you don't feel comfortable, then we can leave it blank. I'm not going to ask any questions pertaining to it. People, ask you to pen like your address change and stuff like that, email, phone number. Yeah, of course. No, of course. I'm not going to compel you to sign a form and answer questions if you don't. That's the whole point of this, is that you don't. That's why when the other officer was here and I was talking with him, I didn't want you to say anything. I wanted you to make sure you understood everything first, you know? I don't want you to say something and then it come back and bite you. So what's going to happen is we're going to put, I'm going to push for a summons. I'm not going to do a warrant because you have a kid at home. So I'm going to push for a summons, which basically means that after this is done, when this officer's done, you get fingerprinted, photographed. I write up the charge. You get released with a court date. So then you have to show up to that court date here in Manalapan. Yes, that'll be with the judge. You'll have an arraignment. You'll speak with the prosecutor. You'll either get a lawyer or a public defender, and then they'll go from there. Whether you take a plea deal or whether you fight it in trial, that's entirely up to you. I can't give you legal advice, but that'll be something that you should discuss with a professional. Okay. No, you're not going to county jail tonight. I'm going to push for you to go on a summons, which means you go home to your daughter tonight. Because it's a third-degree crime for the over 500 threshold, but I'm going to push for it to go on a summons, obviously, because you have your daughter at home. I'm not going to put you, I'm not going to push for it to be on a warrant. Alright, make sure you're back there. Put that hand on your head. Yeah. Walk to the yeah, you can go ahead. You take that hand off that. See that X right there? Turn around. Face the camera. Just gonna go back to that bench, okay? Anything else? No, that's good. I just gotta wait for the complaints. Let the prince come up and do the complaints. All good. Thank you. Hey, what's up? Oh, no, I need to do CCH. M and I. Yeah, alright, I'll have County do it. 26-1, Sunset County.
26-1, Sunset.
No. can you just fax over a CC additional check M&I? Yeah, I'm finishing up the complaints now. Oh, do we just have the CJP? Since it's indictable. For Downer County court date? Huh? Yeah, I just need that. I'm on the affidavit of probable cause page right now. Huh? Yeah, I just need that and then I'm good. Yeah. About the date. So we don't have any determination. So how it works is the offense date, which is today, the 30th, determines the date. It's usually about 2 weeks in advance. If the date doesn't work, if you have something that's going on, you have work or something, you can always call the court and ask them to. Hey, what's up? January 13th, 8:30? All right, thank you. It's going to be January 13th at 8:30. I will tell you in 1 second. Let me look at the calendar. The 13th is going to be a Tuesday. So if you have work, you have something with your daughter, just give the court a call and say, hey, I can't make this day. Is there any way that we could move it to a different day? Just let them know in advance. Mm-hmm. The court date? No, I'm going to give you a piece of paper with it.
No, not you, sorry.
Not yourself. Just.
You have a lot of stuff in there? Because we have none of these cars work. I'm not rushing you.
Yeah, I'll be done relatively soon. Just give me 1 minute. I have to clean it up, so just give me one. Actually, I'm going to have to give her a ride back. I can always take another car. If you want to take it, then... What's... Oh, never mind. Sorry. I'm looking at the wrong thing. Alright, so the PSA is a 1. So when it gets to the last page, when it gives you 1 for PSA. 1 and 1. So obviously the last page it either says it gives you an option, you have to select it. So I'm just going to do summons. Because that's it. It doesn't give me any other options. If you want to come back here. Can you tell me how to send it to you, because it always just completes it whenever I hit the select option. All right. Oh no, it's okay. The thing that I was saying, this isn't obviously asking you questions following this. It's a PSA's a preliminary score assessment. It's basically saying the chances of it happening again. So a 1 is the lowest number, which means it's unlikely that. It basically means it indict. If New Jersey's the only state that does it, or weird, felonies, misdemeanors, it's a felony because it's over $500 and it's a 3rd degree. Since it's a 1, the PSA is lower. That means it's more likely. I'm pushing for a summons anyways. Like I said, you are not a bad person. I don't think that you should go to the county, so I'm obviously pushing for you to go to just a summons, get released with the court. Go ahead. You don't have to say sorry. Devin.
Fast forward to the station, no overnight in county jail. The officer pushes for a summons so she can get home to her daughter. Low risk assessment, cooperative attitude. They treat her with respect. The daughter stays polite the whole time. Even the cops note how respectful she is. This could have gone much worse, but compassion won out. Still, a court date looms, and that's a heavy lesson for both of them.
How old are you? 38. So.
I forgot for a second.
It's okay.
So, yeah, I mean, your mom was asking, like, what happened. I didn't tell her a single thing. You're an adult, you can tell her. I have no obligation to tell her. So if you want to tell her, you're more than welcome, but I can't. So, it's up to you.
Okay. I'm just going to read you this, and then you're free to go, okay? So, within the jurisdiction of this court, commit the offense of shoplifting by purposely concealing on her person or otherwise merchandise specifically described as various jewelry, healthcare products, and other various merchandise with a total value of $648.64, displayed, held, stored, or offered for sale by Target with the intent to deprive Target of all or some part of retail value thereof, specifically by placing the merchandise in her handbag and concealing in her shopping cart prior to bypassing all points of sale with the concealed merchandise with no payment made or attempted for the said merchandise concealed. Violation of NJS 2C 2011B. So you have a court date which is coming up, and that was, yeah. I'm just making sure it didn't populate on here, so I'm just going to write it in manually. Okay, with that being said, you are all done. I'm going to unhandcuff you, okay? Don't worry about that. I dropped it like 17 times today.
26, what's up, one of your careers on 10?
We have to, because we put our somebody back here, but it always falls out of this thing, so you can go ahead and stand up. Alright, so here's your license. Here's your phone. Here's your wallet. There you go. You hold on to this, okay? If you have any questions, call the court. Hopefully it'll just get kicked back to municipal court, because right now, the way it goes, it's, since it's indictable, it's the county. A lot of times, I honestly can't remember a single time that it's actually stayed up there. It usually gets kicked back to municipal court, okay? If you have any questions, just give the court a call, alright? I'll walk you out. You don't have to keep saying sorry. Do you want me to say anything or no? You don't have to keep apologizing. Alright. Ma'am, I did want to say, I have arrested countless people in my time here, a lot, more than I can ever remember. Your daughter's probably one of the nicest and most respectful people I've ever interacted with. Don't. It's okay. You don't have to keep saying sorry. She keeps apologizing. She's very polite and respectful, so. You'll get through it, okay? If you need anything, just give us a call, okay? If you have any questions, you can always call us, okay?